A couple years back, guys, this happened. Happy 4th of July. On this day, this happened. Gold, we got $1,776. Silver, $17.76. And then XRP, our precious, 17.76, right? All happened on the same day, by the way. Could this have been a coincidence? Most definitely not, guys, right? This is how you guys know there's a correlation to XRP, silver, and gold, right? The Trinity, which is quite fascinating. XRP is on the same level as being manipulated as silver and gold, guys, right? And you know why this is so weird? Because the founding fathers of America, of the naysays of America, are definitely pissed at this point because we got off the gold standard, which just means the system got more centralized, right? And today there's going to be a ton of connections here, so pay very close attention because from Gold Telegraph, breaking news! This is huge news, guys. Russian embassy in Kenya says that the new BRICS trading currency is backed by gold. Wait, whoa. What? Backed by gold? A new currency backed by gold? So, good morning, everyone, because it seems as we just got confirmed, guys, right? We stated so many times before that gold, these precious metals will be coming back into play, guys, right? This is why I wanted to buy a little bit of gold right before the collapse occurs to preserve my wealth, guys, right? Now, we're going to explain how this ties in with the USD, right? The dollar and all sorts of stuff, but we got the source right here. The BRICS countries are planning to introduce a new trading currency, which will be backed by gold. More and more countries recently expressed desire to join BRICS, guys, right? Wow, everyone's cutting ties from the West, guys. This is just ridiculous, right? We're going back to the future, but wait a minute. Looks like the West has a little over a month to get its act together. Why a little over a month? Because I think there's a meeting with BRICS, guys, with these different nations, end of August 25th or around there, guys. Now, or get left behind, right? America is about to get left behind. It seems as asset-backed is coming. We can all get out of denial now. Stop wasting time. TikTok America, your time has arrived. Now, this is interesting because we're heading back to the future. Why? Judy Shelton at the Fed dreaming of a gold-backed cryptocurrency, which is quite fascinating, right? A cryptocurrency gold-backed. Now, remember Judy Shelton, guys? Judy Shelton is about to join the board of Federal Reserve. This was back in 2020. Her appointment directly by President Trump, however, has caused quite a stir because Judy Shelton is a proud supporter of a return to the cryptocurrency style gold standard. She stated, quote, "I like the idea of a gold-backed currency. It could even be done in a cryptocurrency sort of way," end quote, right? She stated that we're about to head back to the future, but in a modernized way, in a modernized fashion, which is cryptocurrencies will come into play. Gold will come back into play, guys. And look what just happened. Now, the missing piece to this news is cryptocurrencies, right? Digital assets. Now, she was a former nominee who was backed by Donald J. Trump, guys, right? Which is really odd if you ask me. You know why? Because check this out. Zoom this in for you guys. Look at this, guys. Judy Shelton. About Judy Shelton is an American economic advisor to former President Donald Trump. She is known for her advocacy for a return to the gold standard and for her criticisms for the Federal Reserve. Trump announced on July 2nd, 2019 that he would nominate Shelton to the Fed, right? So she was a former nominee to the Federal Reserve, guys, right? And remember, the key word here is Donald Trump supported Judy Shelton. Who? Donald Trump. And remember, Judy Shelton loves gold and cryptocurrencies at the same damn time. Wait a minute. Don't you guys see something from the Riddler timeline? Gold is coming back into play. Donald Trump is there with holding XRP. Now, I'm not saying a cryptocurrency, a digital asset will be backed by gold, guys, right? I'm not saying that. What I am saying is gold will probably most likely come back into play as we're seeing right now happening in front of our damn faces, but digital assets as well, right? Such as XRP. Moving around value. Oh my, I can't believe my face. I have to point this out, guys. Because you have to remember from David Damn Shorts, a legend. He stated, quote, XRP is an asset that can be used for settlement. It's kind of like gold that can instantly teleport around the world. Now, if you guys want to compare XRP and gold, look at David Short stating, it's what? Liquid gold, guys. It does actually move value and there is nothing to settle afterwards, end quotes, right? Well, you look at that. XRP, it's kind of like gold that can instantly, right? Instantaneously teleport around the world because of how fast it moves. This is why certain institutions were talking about how XRP why XRP can be a so-called stablecoin because of how fast the transaction time is, right? The speed of XRP, the quote-unquote bridge. From Judy Shelton, why not both? To what though? Quote, we are living through a monetary revolution as profound as the one that swept away the remains of the gold standard, but there is a difference, end quote. 50 years going off gold, the dollar must go for crypto. Why not both? If you go down here, gold, but you got XRP as the bridge asset, right? Come on, guys. This has to be like, we're getting confirmed like no tomorrow. A BRICS currency could shake the dollar's dominance. Now we're going to talk about the dollar and how we're about to expose everything, guys. Pay very close attention. The dollarization moment might finally be here, okay? So let's check this out. Now, talks of de-dollarization is in the air, right? Russia is now spearheading the development of a new currency. It is to be used for cross-border trade by BRICS nations. BRICS stated that they're looking at Bitcoin to settle for cross-border transactions, right? Settlements. They have one. It's called XRP, folks. Guys. Right now, if you go down here, every night he asks himself, why are all these countries have to base their trade on the dollar? Right? They hate the dollar, so it seems like they want a level playing field. This is so odd, guys. Check this out. We told you guys a long time ago, these developments complicate the narrative that the dollar's reign is stable because it is the one-eyed. Look how they stated this, or so-called worded this, right? One-eyed money in the land of blind individual competitors like the euro, yen, and yuan. Wow. The one eye, so-called as the Illuma Space Nadi, right? So this is really strange, guys. Now, foreign governments wanting to liberate themselves from the reliance on the United States dollar are anything but new, right? So they're trying to dethrone the dollar, guys, right? They have been trying to do this, but it doesn't seem like it's going to succeed. I'm going to explain why. You guys want to know why? Because if you check out the dollar chart right here, right? You guys want to know something? And we know we're bullish, right, guys? What does that tell you about the dollar? It's inverse correlated to all these crypto assets, which tells us one thing. If the dollar pumps, the crypto assets will dump. But wait a minute. We are bullish for cryptocurrencies and the stock market, which means the dollar has to dump in order for that to occur, right? Usually, or a majority of the times. So this seems to be the game plan, folks. Guys, here it is. The dollar will probably dump, right? By the time 2024, 2025 comes through, we're going to see the dollar possibly at 94. I don't know, guys, right? Low though, where it's going to be low. Now, when the reset occurs, guys, right? When the collapse takes place, you know what's going to happen with the dollar when it's all the way down here at these levels? It's going to shoot up, right? It's going to shoot up, which will make the dollar strong again, guys, right? So I don't think the dollar is going to get dethroned, guys, right? The dollar is obviously still going to be in play, but we will see new currencies coming out of the woodworks, right? At the same time, when that occurs, a level playing field will be in place, right? To make everyone happy. Look at this. Everything will go digital at that point in time as well, like the digital yuan, right? So, but the BRICS will not even need to trade with only each other, because each country member BRICS grouping in an economic heavyweight in its own region. Remember BRICS, a connection to David Short's recent shirt he was wearing, right? It was full of bricks. Check this out. Saudi Arabia and gold. Last year, we learned that Saudi Arabia is considering the establishment of gold refineries within the kingdom. Since then, look how much has happened, guys, right? Has taken place. They want entry into BRICS, right? A lot of gold talk. It is well known now that the new reserve currency from BRICS could be backed by gold. Interesting how things are aligning, guys, right? Remember a long time ago we stated that why the hell are all these banks, central bankers around the world, not just in foreign countries, guys, but in the United States of America itself, the central bankers over here are buying a S-ton of gold like no tomorrow, right? The proof is right there, guys. It always has been. This isn't financial advice, but let us prepare for the new world. XRP will most definitely be coming into play. That is just my belief. Well, because we have seen so much proof in the damn pudding. Not financial advice. Let's be prepared. Not financial advice, not financial advice, and not financial advice. My name is Nano. So, guys, amazing. See ya.